It's a defining week for Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Sang, who are facing charges at the ICC as the 14th session of the Assembly of State Parties kick off at The Hague on Wednesday.
William atawachiliwa, hii hatutachoka, tutasonga mbele mpaka wahakikishe wameturudisha hapa sisi tuendelee na mambo yetu.
We have confirmation from the President and the Secretariat of the ASP that the 3 Kenyan agenda have been slotted for the conference.
A high-powered government delegation to the meeting has its work cut out. Its agenda to have the retroactive application of Rule 68 of the Rome Statute blocked. The amended Rule 68 allows recorded statements recanted by witnesses to be introduced as evidence in court, an amendment that has since been applied in Ruto's case. Concerns have been that the agreement in 2013 was that this will not be applied retroactively, meaning it will not be applied in Ruto and Sang's case, which were already ongoing.
And that's why the Kenyan delegation then and the African delegation then feel duped, feel cheated, and we have the minutes, we will go with the minutes.
This law was not supposed to be applied retrospectively. That was when it was being passed. And that was the discussion, that was the agreement, and that is the tradition of the laws in the whole world.
The Pokot South Member of Parliament is the architect of the second agenda, a petition which was backed by about 190 members of Parliament, seeking to compel the President of the Assembly to invoke provisions of Article 112(4) of the Rome Statute and Rule 83 of the ICC procedures to order an audit of the process used by former prosecutor Moreno Ocampo to identify and recruit witnesses who were used to confirm charges against Ruto and Sang. Kenya's mission to the UN also urging the Assembly to appoint 5 independent jurists to audit ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda's witness identification and recruitment processes within 6 months.
We cannot allow the court to continue as if nothing is happening at home.
You can imagine what the current president went through as a family, as an individual, as a country. And we are saying somebody somewhere did shoddy investigations. And somebody somewhere must be held responsible.
If Kenya has its way, the outcome of the Assembly could have far-reaching implications on the cases. The delegation's challenge now will be to lobby and get support from other states at the Assembly of State Parties to back its agenda.
On Monday, I am writing, myself and the leader of majority in the Senate, we are writing to all the parliaments in Africa. And we are going to The Hague with a position of the AU.
If nothing is met, the only strategy that's remaining, we do away with ICC.
We will not say it now, but we have Plan B.
A bill by Bumula MP Boniface Utsula has already been published that seeks to repeal the International Crimes Act that domesticates the Rome Statute. Hussein Mohammed for Sunday Live.